Hey everybody, here we are in November. I wanted to start this month off by showing you a very nice SUV. 2018 GMC Terrain. This thing has everything you're going to need for what we don't want to talk about is coming up, all this snow. All-wheel drive, all the amenities on the inside, 4-cylinder turbo engine, going to get over 30 miles to the gallon on the highway. Let's take a look, walk around this thing. I'll show you everything it's got. Here we are in the back of the 2018 GMC Terrain. Wanted to show you a little extra storage underneath there for whatever you want to keep thrown in there. With the back, with the seats folded flat, you can see how much storage, nice flat, loaded up. Take the kids back to college, do all your Christmas shopping in here, pack it on up. Now, you guys go around the front, I'm gonna meet you. Here we are, everybody, on the inside of the Terrain. Starting from the back here, you have your heated seats for both front passengers, your 4-wheel drive knob from 2-wheel to auto to 4-wheel, all your hookups for your phones, your laptops. Here's your gear shift. I know it doesn't look like a gear shift, but this is all push button, very nice and easy. Dual climate control, everything up top in your screen, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the controls on your steering wheel, front and back. They just want you to drive this thing, be safe, enjoy the ride, and trust me, whenever you take it for a ride, you're definitely going to enjoy this one. Stop in us and see us here at Delaney, 626 Water Street, 724-349-3000. I'll see you next time.